how to zoom in or out of web pages in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you need larger or smaller text on a web page in Safari? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Safari and then go to the top left, hover over it, and you can see view option. Tap on it and you can see zoom in zoom out option when you go to a page. So once you're in a page, you can go to view and then zoom in like this, or you can also use the command and the plus key. That also helps. And to zoom out, you can go to view again and then tap on zoom out or use the command plus minus. So that's it. Reading websites will make this much easier. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.